Okay, back with the 304. I have here the carburetor after cleaning it, and also I have new parts. It come with this fancy bag. This is a seal kit for the carburetor, and also I have here some other parts that if I don't have here in the kit, I can take from my old parts. Okay, so this carburetor went into an ultrasonic bath, and I already uploaded a video where I was showing the same process on fuel injectors. So I will just show you how this was going off and how the fluid came out, the clean fluid. So this is look pretty clean right now, and we'll start to assemble it once again. This is the first time I'm using a new camera, and let me know if it improved your experience watching the video or anything else. I would like to hear anything you have to say in the comments. So let's get started. We have here a new one. The float. I think I'm missing a spring here. Okay, I knew I had a missing piece, so I took it off from other stuff I have at my house. This is supposed to bring tension back to the pump, to the acceleration pump. Nice and tight, nice and snug. I think I need a bigger one. I have even a smaller screwdriver. This was expected to happen. I think I need to look out for a right O-ring to fit here. Okay, so while I was looking out for a new rubber, I figured out I forgot to start recording from this camera, so I have a few missing minutes. Let's look out for a right O-ring. Maybe this one will be. Opa. Okay, this is nice and snug. I wonder if it should have an O-ring here. Okay. I want to count 3 turns because that's how you start adjusting the carburetor in the first place. Okay. I forgot I should take out the float because I need to put the new seal. This is the right one. Ah. I, I, I understand now that the old seal from the previous episode was the wrong one, because you don't need to take out the float in order to remove the seal. We need to align the choke lever with the throttle. Okay, so as you can see, whenever I pull the choke cable, so I close the gate for air, I close the air passage, and then it pushes the throttle a little bit so more fuel can come inside. Oh. Okay, I see that the seal is not sitting right because it have here this little pin and it's supposed to align and it's not aligning. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is to disassemble the float once again and put this seal this time because this is the right one. It's not as easy as it seems. Okay, so once again, okay, I'm tightening the bolts in a crisscross pattern, so I have an even seal and surface. Don't want to make a bulge on just one side. Okay, that's it. I hope I haven't missed anything in the process, and we just need to return it to the car and return the fuel tank as well, and I hope this car will be healthy again.